welcome to Clappia. In this video, we will see how to add phone numbers to your application with the help of the phone number block that is available in Clappia. Let's see how to use this with the help of an example. Over here, I have already created an application earlier, which is a patient registration form that captures patient information. Now in this application, I would also like to capture the patient's phone number, which is missing right now. So let's see how to add this option. We click on Design App where you can edit your app and you can see all the earlier fields. Now we click on Add Field and then click on Phone Number. This phone number block can be configured on the right hand panel that has appeared here. There are two options, Basic and Advanced, for configuring. So let's see how to use them. The first thing I will do is to give a label name, but it's already mentioned as phone number, so I will leave it as it is. You can also give a description. This allows a user to know what to fill in the field. For now, I will just say, please mention the phone number. We have the option default country code, and you can see that it has already captured my default country code. If you want to change this, you can click on it and then select your preferred country code. The next option is allow user to edit the country code. If we disable this option, then in the main app, while filling in the application, you will be unable to change the country code. Let's see how this works. We click on Save and then go back to App Home where the main app resides, and you can see that the phone number block has appeared. You can also see that it has captured my default country code, but when I click on it, I am unable to make any changes to it. Now let's go ahead and see the other configuration methods. Over here, I will keep this enabled for now. And then coming to the next option, we have required. It can happen that when a person is filling in the application, they can miss out on filling this field. If you do not want that to happen, you can enable this option. Mark it as safe. Then we click on Advanced and we have the option display this field if. Here you can implement logic and conditions in Clappia like if, else, or, and, etc. The same syntax that you use in spreadsheets can be done in Clappia as well. Except in the place of cell numbers, we have the concept of variable names, which you can find at the top of every field in brackets. Now in the app, if the contact number available is selected as yes, and only then would you like the phone number block to appear in the app, then we can implement the logic over here by typing in @contact number. You can see it has populated equals to yes. This will implement the logic in your main app. Click on Save, and now let's see how the phone number block actually works in the app. You go back to App Home, and here you can see the phone number block that was there earlier has now disappeared. Now once I click on No for under contact number available, nothing happens. But if I click on Yes, the phone number block appears. Now I will just fill in some details for the app. Mark some fields, email. Now if I click on Submit, you can see that the phone number block has been shaded red. This is because we have enabled the option as mandatory to fill in. So unless the person fills in this particular field, they will be unable to submit the application. Now that I have filled it in, I will click on Submit. You can view all your submissions under the Submissions tab. And then once you click on a submission, a right-hand panel will appear with all the information that has been captured. You can see the phone number block has been filled in. You can make changes to it as well as changing the country code. Now, if you do not want this particular block to be changed later on after submission, we can have the option as disabled. So we go back to the Design app, and in the phone numbers panel, over here you can see the option under Advanced, allow value to be changed after initial submission. If we disable this, this will ensure that after submission, no changes can be made. We go back to App Home, Submissions, and now once I scroll down to the phone number field and I click on it, you can see that I am unable to make any changes to the number as well as the country code. Now if you want to download this particular submission, or if you want to download all the submissions, you can click on the option over here that says download, and you will get an Excel sheet with all the information. If you have any queries in configuration of the phone number block or any features in general in Clappia, you can click on request support over here, or you can email us directly to support@clappia.com and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.